Welcome, educators. In this video, we'll explore the engaging and creative process of making zines with multilingual and newcomer students. Zines, or small self-published booklets, offer a unique way for students to express themselves, share their stories, and practice their language skills. This strategy is especially effective for multilingual learners as it combines art and literacy, making language learning fun and meaningful. Why is this strategy so great for multilingual learners? Well, it encourages self-expression and provides a platform for students to share their personal stories, interests, and cultures. It also promotes language skills and combines writing, reading, and speaking activities in a creative context. It builds confidence and allows students to see their work in a published format, boosting their self-esteem. And it fosters engagement. This hands-on artistic aspect of zine making keeps students motivated and invested in their work. Here's how to make a zine. Fold hot dog style. Then fold twice more. Open it up. Fold hamburger style once more. Cut down the middle. Fold one last time. Now your zine is ready, all set and fine. When first introducing zines to your students, explain what a zine is and show examples to inspire them. Choose a theme. Have students select a theme for their zine or select a theme for students, such as personal experiences, cultural heritage, or a favorite topic. Plan and draft. Guide students in planning the content and the layout of their zine. Encourage them to write drafts of their text and create illustrations. Create the zine. Provide materials such as paper, markers, and glue. Students compile their content and illustrations into the booklet format. Share and reflect. Have students present their zines to the class or in small groups. Reflect on the process and celebrate their work. When helping students create their own zines, encourage them to be creative and express themselves freely. Provide prompts or themes to guide their work, and encourage multilingual content in their home languages. The goal is to make the process enjoyable and meaningful for each student. Here are some examples by grade level. In elementary school, you could use them as about me or personal narrative books. Have students create zines to tell their own stories and share their cultural backgrounds. This supports language development and builds confidence and fosters cultural appreciation. Use them for vocabulary building. Students can illustrate and define new vocabulary words in their zines, reinforcing new words through creative and personal connections. You could also use them as reflection journals. Use zines as journals for students to reflect on their feelings and experiences, encouraging emotional expression and self-reflection. For middle school, you could use them for cultural exploration. Students can create zines exploring different cultural aspects, such as traditions, foods, and festivals. You could also use them for project documentation. Have students document their learning process and projects in zine format, providing a creative way to showcase their work and reinforce learning. And you could also use them for peer support. Encourage students to write positive messages and affirmations in zines for their classmates, building a supportive classroom community and encouraging positive interactions. At the high school level, you can use them for identity and self-expression. Students can create zines to explore their identities and express their thoughts and feelings. You can also use them for language practice. Have students write bilingual or multilingual zines, translating content from their native language to English, supporting multilingualism and language development. You can also use them for advocacy and social issues. Students can create zines on topics they are passionate about, such as social justice, environment, and more, empowering them to use their voice and prompting critical thinking. Making zines is a fantastic way to engage multilingual and newcomer students in creative, meaningful language practice. By combining art and literacy, students can express themselves, share their stories, and develop their language skills in a fun and supportive environment. Try zine making in your classroom and watch your students' creativity and confidence soar. Thank you for watching this episode of Teaching Kimmy Speedy Peedies.